Hi everyone, and welcome to the first inaugural Eureka Crystal Beads Tutorial Awards. Yes, first inaugural. We are making it official. In 2025, we published 78 videos. Can you believe it? And 49 of those were full-length project tutorials. And I think that explains why our hard drives are full and none of us remember what a weekend is.
Or what day of the week it is. So if you're new here, our tutorials exist for one very specific reason. We want you to feel confident when you sit down at your beading mat. We walk through techniques step by step, we show what's happening with the thread and the beads up close, and we try to answer the questions we know could come up on the way.
Later in the show, we'll be joined by a very special guest, someone you might recognize from way back in the day, who has seen just about every technique, every trend, every project Eureka has ever released. We will also be sharing how you can enter to win a full collection, and that will be announced at the very end, so you might want to stick around.
All right, we're starting with the best earrings project of 2025. And let me tell you, earrings are often the project that people make again and again. Different colors, different finishes, gifts for friends, or that one pair of earrings that you keep remaking because you keep giving them away. This category celebrates projects that were not only pretty, but in most cases also clear, wearable, and satisfying to make. To present this award, here's our official earring correspondent, Bo.
Thank you so much, Olga and Nishka. It's truly my pleasure to announce the 2025 nominees for Eureka's Best Earring Project. This year's nominees are the Polychrome Glow Earrings, the Blushing Violet Earrings, the Elite Chiton Earrings, and the Travertine Twilight Earrings. Before we open the envelope, we have to give a little love to a few honorable mentions. YouTube viewer Catherine M. told us that the Blushing Trillium earrings were her favorite project of the year. And we also saw plenty of votes come in for the Midnight Gala earrings. And now, the moment that we've all been waiting for. The winner of Eureka's Best Earring Project of 2025, as chosen by you, our amazing viewers, is the Polychrome Glow Earrings. Congratulations.
Thank you so much for that, Bo. If you haven't tried this one yet, the full tutorial is available on the Eureka Crystal Beads YouTube channel where you're watching this. And as always, you'll find the complete list of supplies you need linked in the video below. And you can also check it out on our design center at eurekacrystalbeads.com. For Best Pendant Project of 2025, we had a lot of competition, and it's no wonder. Pendants are one of those things you can really never have too many of. They can be tiny and delicate or bold and dramatic. They work with chains, ribbons, cords, or even fully beaded ropes. And they're one of the easiest ways to change the look of a piece just by swapping colors. Here to present the best beaded pendant project of 2025 is Aga. Take it away.
This must be one of my favorite categories because I love making pendants. They can be big, they can be small, they can be anything you like. And our nominees in this category are the Defying Gravity pendant, the Elite Floral pendant, the Hummingbird Garden pendant, and the Vintage Dreams pendant. And the winner is the Hummingbird Garden pendant.
Thanks, Aga. If this one's been sitting in your I'll do it later list, The full tutorial is waiting on our YouTube channel with all materials clearly listed so you can prep before you start. Now for the best necklace project of 2025. Let me know in the comments if you feel this way too, but necklaces tend to be the projects that feel the most finished. They are the kind of jewelry that you build an outfit around or that people notice and comment on immediately. Now to present this award, we go to our necklace correspondent, Nishka.
Thanks, Aga. This year's nominees for Best Necklace Project are the Berry Frost Necklace, the Blush Meadow Necklace, the Fairy Prism Amulet, and the Opulence Echo Collar. Now let's find out who's the winner. It's the Berry Frost Necklace! Congratulations!
Thanks, me. If you made this project, we would love to see it. You can post your photos on our Facebook group, the Beaders Nook, and we will put a link to it in the description below so that you can join.
And share your work because we really, really want to see it. Next up is the best bracelet project of 2025. Bracelet projects are some of our most popular ones. They really allow you to get into a flow state while working on them, especially those repetitive ones. And it's always fun to show off your wrist candy. And presenting this award is me. Take it away, Aga.
Thank you, ladies. I'm here with the winner of one of the previous categories, the Hummingbird Garden Pendant, and we're super excited to announce the nominees and the winner of the Best Bracelet category. Our nominees are the Diana Bracelet, the Featherlight Bracelet, the Queen's Garden Bracelet, and the Sapphire Dusk Bracelet. And the winner is the Queen's Garden Bracelet. Congratulations!
This winner was a project that was actually made with our Queen Garden collection, and that was one of our fastest selling collections of 2025. And spoiler alert, we are restocking it soon. So make sure that you are following us and have signed up for our newsletter so you have a chance to grab it before it sells out again.
And the link to sign up for the newsletter is, of course, in the description down below.
Now, for the best miscellaneous project of 2025. This is the category for projects that just don't fit neatly into earrings, bracelets, or necklaces. But they still sparked a lot of excitement and creativity. Presenting this award is an expert at random projects that defy classification. Me.
Thanks, me. I am so excited to present this award today. The nominees are the MacGuffin Bookmark Charm, the Heiress Ring, the Cubic Double Right Angle Weave Stitch Tutorial, and the Bead Embroidery Bezels Tutorial. Let's see who won. And it's the Bead Embroidery Bezels Tutorial. Yay! Congratulations!
Thank you, Nishka. Wow, I really didn't know what to expect with this category, but I really like making that video very much. Next one is one of our most practical awards, the easiest project of 2025. This category is about clarity, projects that are welcoming, well-paced, and don't require you to constantly rewind the video to understand the steps. Perfect entry point for beginners and a wonderful exercise and a bit of relaxation for the more advanced beaders. Here to present this award is someone who certainly appreciates clarity. It's Peter.
Thank you, Aga and Nishka. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Eureka's accountant, which means I've watched a lot of beading happen without actually doing any of the beading. So when I was asked to present Eureka's easiest beaded project of 2025, I took this role very seriously, because if I think it's easy, it really is. This year's nominees are the Berry Whirl Bracelet, the Bubble Scene Earrings, the Diana Bracelet, and the Sand Dune Earrings. Now, I should say one thing. Easy doesn't mean boring. It means a project you can start with confidence, actually finish, and feel very proud wearing it, which from my professional standpoint is an excellent return on investment. And now, the moment you've all been beading towards, the winner of Eureka's easiest beaded project of 2025. Thank you. The Diana Bracelet.
Thank you, Peter. And to everyone watching, let us know if you made these projects and if they were actually that easy.
And now, for the hardest projects of 2025. This category is for projects that required focus, patience, and maybe reaching out for help or even just some moral support. As always, you are free to message us anytime or post questions in the Beaders Nook. That's a really great community where you'll get help not only from us, but other beaders who might be struggling with the same thing.
And I'm there too.
Exactly. Presenting this award is a very special guest. Those of you who remember us from our beading show days way back might remember Walter. He is our retired co-founder. He's graciously agreed to come out of retirement just to present this next award for the hardest project of 2025. Take it away, Walter.
Thank you for that lovely introduction. I've been with this company the longest. And if there is one thing I've learned over the years from all the beaders I've met, is this. Hard is a very relative term. What feels hard today might be unfamiliar. And to anyone who is newer to beading, I want you to remember this. If you like beading, keep at it. And what feels hard now becomes second nature sooner than you think. This year, hardest project pushed people. It asked for patience, attention, and trust in the process. But the beaders who stayed with it told us it was incredibly rewarding. The nominees for hardest project of 2025 are the Blushing Violet Earrings, the Defying Gravity Pendant, the Fairy Prism Necklace, the Vintage Dreams Bracelet, the Dewdrops Bracelet. And the winner is the Blushing Violet Earrings. If you finish this project, you own it. If you didn't, save it. Come back to it later. You might just surprise yourself.
Thank you so much, Walter. It is lovely to see you.
Before we wrap up, we want to say this clearly. We didn't choose any of tonight's winners. Every award was voted on by you, our viewers, followers on social media, and our group members, based on what you actually made, enjoyed, and learned from in 2025. There is one category, though, that wasn't voted on.
That's right. There's no award for Best Collection of the Year. I think we just forgot about it. But this is the perfect opportunity for us to ask you what you think. So let us know in the comments what you thought was the best collection of 2025. 2025 is also the year we started doing the mid-month LITE Collections. So you have even more different and beautiful color palettes to choose from to make your selection. So tell us in the comments, what was your favorite Eureka collection of 2025? And as an extra special bonus thank you for everyone participating, every comment enters you for a chance to win our upcoming February collection. The full collection, that's right. It still hasn't been released, so you will be one of the first people to get it if you win.
That's right. We're announcing the first Eureka giveaway in 2026, and you can win the full new February collection delivered straight to your door. We will put a link to the detailed rules of the giveaway as well as the time frame for the entire event in the description down below. So make sure to check that out and comment which collection of the past year was your favorite.
And what more is there to say? Thank you for watching, voting, and being part of the Eureka beading community the past year. Whether you just joined, completed 1 or 2 projects, or have been supporting us in the comments and posting on our Facebook group,
The Beaders Nook,
all through the year, like Darlene, Bobby, Debbie, Susan, Charlene, Sharon, Carla,
and Chris, Sonia, Faye, Lena, Christy, Tona, and many, many more of you. Definitely make sure that you're subscribed to the channel because we have many more tutorials coming your way. Don't hesitate to ask questions in the comments and give us thumbs up whenever you can because that really helps. Oh, and a special shout out and a special thank you to the following fans for keeping us humble and letting us know what we need to improve.
Whether you're finishing something that's been on your mat for weeks or starting a brand new project, we'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye. Oh, and happy beading!
Happy beading!